Vince here, Appomattox River Company, and we just got in the Hurricane Kayaks Sweetwater 126. This is the latest from Hurricane.
That's what Brian sent to me.
It is a thermoform kayak out of North Carolina. It comes in at about 56 pounds with the seat in here, so it's very light. Thermoform version of a fishing specific kayak. So 56 pounds, 12 foot, 6 inches, 33-inch width, stable enough to be able to stand and cast, but still with a sharp enough bow line to cut through water and really glide. Like I said, a Hurricane Kayaks Sweetwater 126 comes with the first class seat, nice comfortable chair that can adjust to a little higher position or a lower position. You got Select Design adjustable foot pegs here. There are some standing pads on here as well. Got gear tracks with the foam handle wrapped around so you can lift easy. 8-inch front hatch, rear hatch, 2 flush mounts angled out, and a big tank well area. Carrying capacity for the Sweetwater is 325. There is a hatch here. Has a cup holder. Flip it up. You have a stash spot with a little bin that's removable. You can put stuff in there for storage. Also comes with some scupper plugs in the holes already. Sweetwater 126 out of Hurricane Kayaks, 56 pounds for a sit on top fishing kayak, standability, excellent tracking. It's going to move through the water. Retails $16.99, rudder ready. This is a great option if you're looking to car top your fishing kayak. 56 pounds, I think it's 52 without the seat. Very easy to lift, place on top of your car and get out there, or throw in the back of the bed of your truck. Good for inshore fishing, good for river fishing, good for lakes. If you're looking for an upgrade to something a little bit lighter, it might be time to think about the Hurricane Kayaks Sweetwater 126. If you have any questions, comment below. And we're going to feature also a couple other kayaks that we got in new. We'll put a post out there later today. There's been a bunch of stuff that have come in new to the warehouse, so look for that. Some additional stuff from some other folks out there from whitewater to fishing. But keep an eye on this thing, Sweetwater 126. It is a sharp looking kayak. As you can tell, as the sun starts to hit it, that green is a really beautiful color. So check us out, PaddleVa.com. Check out the Hurricane Sweetwater 126. Peace out. We'll see you out on the water. Be safe.